Hello students, a very good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we are going to start chapter 3 which is about computer virus and detection. So here is introduction of virus. So students, a computer virus is a destructive software program. It can spread from one computer to another by use of disk, networks, email, etc. Okay, so computer virus is very dangerous and ये क्या होता है, spread करता है, फैलता है by use of disk, any kind of disk or USB device, networks or emails. Computer virus. A computer virus is a program that is usually made to corrupt or delete data on a computer by erasing information available on the hard disk. Okay, so if you have virus in your computer that can delete your important data, okay, and it can corrupt your file, जो आपकी फाइल को करप्ट कर सकती है और आपके डेटा को डिलीट कर सकती है. Once a virus is active, it loads and gets saved on the computer memory. It copies itself to the hard disk and system files and corrupts them. Okay, so क्या करता है ये फाइल को हार्ड डिस्क में कॉपी करता है एंड करप्ट करता है. Okay, and it loads and gets saved on the computer memory. Okay, ये सेव हो जाता है कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में. Now students, harms caused by computer virus. Okay, so most of the virus programs are applied to confuse and irritate the operators. Okay, some viruses are there students that we cannot recognize them, that actually virus have in our computer or not. Okay, so some virus are applied to confuse and irritate the operators. Who are operators? We are operators, whoever operate the computer. But other viruses can prove to be very harmful, okay, to a computer. Okay, so some viruses are very normal that cannot as harm to a computer, but there are many viruses which can harmful, which are very harmful for a computer. They can modify or corrupt files, delete data, steal passwords, etc. Okay, they can delete our files. They can steal passwords. Okay, so these viruses are very harmful. Routes of virus attacks. So some of the routes from which a virus can attack a computer system are. So वायरस कहाँ कहाँ से हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में आ सकता है और अटैक कर सकता है. So some of the routes from which a virus can attack a computer system are, first is email. Okay, so virus can attack from the email. Second is infected pen drive and CD. Suppose you are using pen drive in your system, okay, and your pen drive is infected. There is virus in your pen drive, so that pen drive, if you use in your computer, so that can harm in your computer also, and CDs. Okay, so this is all about USB device. If we connect any device from the USB and there is virus, so that can harm our system. Downloading infected files. So student, whatever files we want to download from the internet or from the any other device, so that if there is harmful virus, so that virus can attack our computer. Okay, so that is very risky and harmful. Starting an infected application. Any kind of application we are downloading, in that application are infected. Okay, so that can harm our phone also and our mobile also. So student, we all are using phone, okay, and we all use internet in our phone. So if we are downloading anything and which are not which is harmful for that, if there is virus, so that can harm our device, our PC or our system. Okay, now let us know about types of computer viruses. So there are many types of computer viruses. First is bombs. these viruses gets activated after a particular time and cause damage to the computer system. Okay, so bombs virus gets activated, okay, after a particular time. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के बाद बॉम्ब्स वायरस एक्टिवेट होता है एंड डैमेज करता है हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को. ओके, बूटसेक्ट वायरसेस. So bootsect is a virus name. These viruses are very risky. Okay, these viruses are very risky as they damage the boot sector part of a hard disk or floppy disk where data is stored. So boot sector virus mostly damaged or stored data. Okay, or stored data whichever we have saved in our device, and where we save our data in computer, hard disk or floppy disk. So that can harm our data. Okay, next is email viruses. These viruses enter the computer system when an infected email or its attachment is open. Okay, so students, suppose you got a mail, okay, and that attachment is infected, so you are going to open that attachment. If there is virus, so that can be infected your computer. Okay, next is Trojan virus. So these viruses can destroy data of a computer system and appear in the form of infected computer videos, games, etc. Okay, so ये Trojan virus क्यों यूज़ होता है मोस्टली? So this virus destroy data of a computer system and appear in the form of infected computer videos. Okay, ये वीडियोस और गेम के थ्रू हमारे कंप्यूटर में एंटर होता है और ये हमारे डेटा को हार्म करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज worms. So this worms the virus. Okay, so these viruses make a copy of themselves and spread everywhere to infect the speed of a computer system. So student, most danger virus it is worms virus. Okay, so what does this virus do? This virus मेक अ कॉपी ऑफ देमसेल्फ. ओके, खुद की बहुत सारी कॉपीज़ बना लेता है और कंप्यूटर में हर जगह स्प्रेड हो जाता है. एंड कंप्यूटर में हर जगह अगर ये स्प्रेड हो गया, सो वी कैन नॉट रिकोगनाइज दैट. ओके, कहाँ कहाँ पे वर्म वायरस है एंड दैट कैन हार्म आवर फाइल और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. Okay, so these are basically names of some viruses. I hope you have understood. So students, if there are virus, so it is really important how can we protect our computer from these viruses. Okay, so here are protection measures. These are some of the following protection measures set to prevent a virus from entering into a computer system following. Okay, so how can we protect our computer from the viruses? Do not use an infected CD or pen drive. So it is very important, if your pen drive or CD is infected, so you must not use that. Okay, do not open or download files from malicious websites. So you must not open or download your files from malicious websites which are you do not know about those websites and you are downloading or opening them, so you can infect your device. Okay, third is use security password to limit outsiders access to your computer system. Okay, so you must use security password in your computer system. Fourth and most important is get an antivirus program installed. So it is really important to install in your computer an antivirus which can protect your computer from these many viruses. Okay, so these are the protection, how can we protect our computer. Antivirus. So students, antivirus programs are used to detect and remove viruses. Okay, हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि you get an antivirus program installed. So what is antivirus? So antivirus वो होता है that are used to detect and remove viruses. So suppose आपके कंप्यूटर में कहीं से वायरस आ चुका है, so that the antivirus can remove that. we can install any of these antiviruses programs readily available in the market. Okay, so today we have learned about virus and detection of viruses.